Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going over, let me refresh this page, the premium problems for this week. So if you haven't heard, I finally got premium. Thanks for Silla, one of our Discord members, for sponsoring it. So now and I did promise that I will do the weekly premium, so I'm just going to catch up on them. I don't know what's the point of them, but let's, yeah. So let's do week ones first, and then maybe we'll just do them in order. Maybe do it probably all day or like all today. Today's first, the week one weekly premium challenge is, yeah, I have to figure out how to do this, but yeah, it's 1198. Find smallest common element in all rows. Given n by n matrix where every row is sorted in strictly increasing order, return the smallest common element in all rows. If there are no common elements, return -1. Okay. The smallest common elements in all rows. Okay, so it's just a number that is in every row. Okay, so I mean, so the easy way to do it is just put everything in a set and then it's set intersection, right? And you just keep the smallest. That's probably going to be good enough, to be honest. I can't imagine it be that bad. I'm trying to think. The reason why I'm trying to think a little bit is the strictly increasing part. I guess you can also do it in a slightly more efficient way, but it's still going to be worst time, like the worst case analysis is going to be the same, because if the answer is -1, you have to look at every number, right? There's no way around it. So the worst case is going to be the same, but you could imagine there's like a pointer for each thing, and then you do like a heap thing to like take the smallest element and see if they all match all 5 elements and so forth, right? And then you kind of keep on popping off the heap to kind of go to the next pointer, so forth. I'm not going to do that. I think I'm just going to do the set one just because for that reason. So let me play around with it. So S is equal to set of matrix of 0. Yeah, there's at least 0, right? And then for row in right? So yeah, row, right? And then I think S is sorted in this case, but I always want to make sure. Kind of. What you actually want is, I don't know, answer is equal to something like this, right? And then if length of ants is greater than 0, you return answer 0, otherwise we're -1, right? Like I said, this is going to be linear time, linear space. Really can't do better than that. I guess you could do better than linear space. I guess that's what the pointer still takes a lot of space though. So yeah, I don't know. But the time is going to be, you can do better than linear because there's no common element. It's going to be -1, right? So yeah. Yeah, I don't really have much to say. Like I said, I think the other one of the heap get min e thing, and then that's maybe the other way to do it, but and maybe you could actually even be a little bit smarter if you want to do it instead of doing the heap. Like I said, the way that you would do it is for each row you would binary search maybe to the next. Let's say you have, let's say the smallest element in each row is like 1, 5, 6, 7, 10 or something like this, and then the first 4 have like 5, 6, 7, 13, right? Then in this case, that the smallest number that they could be the same is at least 10. So then here you can actually skip, instead of doing it pop it 1 at a time, you can actually skip it all the way to 13, right? So there are optimizations that you can do, but I'm not sure that the worst case is that much better, if it is better, though this requires a little bit more space, but not that much more space, because this is just, it depends on if you're row heavy or the column heavy, I suppose. But yeah, that's all I have with this one. So let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.